Welcome back, YouTube. Tune in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. I bet y'all probably wondering, what is Southern Smoke making up today? So today I'm gonna be doing an apple cider brine for a turkey, man. Hey, happy Thanksgiving, you guys. So I got some apple cider, I got a couple oranges, got some lemons, got some onions, brown sugar, thyme, and bay leaves, garlic, minced garlic, and some salt. So first I'm gonna just start off by putting the apple cider in the pot. All right, now a couple brown sugar, thyme and bay leaves, minced garlic, kosher salt. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting up the onions. They don't have to be no fancy kind of way. Set them to the side. A little stir. Now we're just gonna put it on the stove for about 5 to 10 minutes, just let it get a little, let all the salt and brown sugar get dissolved into it. All right, so we'll go ahead and put our turkey in here, let it brine for 24 hours. Stay tuned, you guys. I can't wait to taste it. What up, you guys? We back after 24 hours, man. About to go ahead and take this turkey out the brine. Woo! I know it's smelling amazing. I know it's gonna taste amazing. I'm gonna just set it right here so it can dry out, man. So I was watching the barbecue pit boys, man. I'm pretty sure everybody know about them. They said, hey, there's no need to wash the turkey off. Just throw it straight on the grill. All right, so of course I brine the turkey, but I'm also gonna still hit it with my little dry rub. Not too heavy, but all right, let's go ahead and flip it over. Nice big bird. All right, you guys, we're gonna be doing this on a smoker for probably about 4 to 5 hours. Let's go ahead and go outside and go drop it on there, man. All right, so our temperature, it's a turkey, so I'm going to look kind of hot today. It's probably about 260, 270. All right, let's go ahead and throw it on here. gonna put the dark meat down first, cause just so it all gets cooked evenly. Well, let me move it over a little. There we go. It's about center. Okay, stay tuned, you guys. We'll be back in an hour to check on the bird. All right, so we're gonna come on out here and spritz the bird. I'm gonna flip it over, so I just want dark meat to get a little, cause you know they cook kind of different. Can't forget about, look, I can't forget about this. Now a lot of people know about eating that right there. That's some good eating. Stay tuned, you guys. We'll be back in the hour. Alright, you guys, so we're about to go ahead and put our turkey inside the pan, let it go ahead and wrap it up and let it cook. So what I got right here, I don't drink beer, so I got some crisp apple cider, and I'm gonna pour this in the bottom of that for steam. But if you want to, you can use beer, man. Woo! Looks amazing, you guys. So I'm just come pick it up by the cavity, set it on in there, grab the turkey neck. Okay, stay tuned. So we 5 hours to our smoker. I know the turkey done, man. I smell it all the way inside the house. So let's go ahead and pull it out a little. And wrap it a little. Ooh, and she looks amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the temperature of the thigh, man. Make sure you don't get that bone. Okay, let me check the breast. $161. We're gonna leave it on for a little. 162 for about 20 more minutes till it hit the 160. You know what? I'm gonna take it on in the house and let it rest. It's gonna rise on up to 165, you guys. Let's go ahead and pull it on in. Alright, you guys, so the final product, I know, let it rest, man. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cut into this bad boy. Woo! Man, that bad boy is juicy. Look at that nice, you can see that nice pink on there. How good is that smoke on there? Hey, I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. If you'd like to see more turkey videos like this, just comment a style you guys like to see me try. Or so I hope you guys had a nice Thanksgiving, happy holidays. I hope you got a full belly. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.